Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Realty ONE Group, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale with Realty ONE Group, begin by understanding the company's core values and culture. Research the company's mission to ensure your goals align with their vision. Evaluate your current real estate business operations. Identify areas where you can optimize processes for efficiency. Consider leveraging technology tools that Realty ONE Group offers to streamline your workflow. Engage in Realty ONE Group's training programs. Participate in webinars and workshops to refine your skills and knowledge. Build a robust network by connecting with fellow agents and leaders in the Realty ONE Group community. Utilize social media platforms to establish your brand and expand your reach. Create valuable content that showcases your expertise and engages your audience. Set clear, measurable goals for your growth trajectory. Develop a strategic plan that outlines the steps to achieve these goals. Monitor your progress regularly to identify what's working and what needs adjustment. Leverage Realty ONE Group's marketing resources to enhance your visibility. Consider collaboration opportunities within the Realty ONE Group network to gain referrals. Invest in personal development through coaching or mentorship programs offered by the company. Incorporate feedback from clients to improve your services and build trust. Stay updated with industry trends to remain competitive in the market. Utilize CRM tools provided by Realty ONE Group to manage client relationships effectively. Actively participate in Realty ONE Group events to strengthen your connections. Track your financial performance to make informed decisions about scaling your business. Continuously innovate your approach to attract potential clients and retain existing ones. Celebrate your milestones and learn from challenges as you scale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.